All right, as you can see by the yellow paneling over here, there's a mod in progress. This is the elevator here at the Sheraton Music City Nashville Airport. This one's still working. So this is a final ride, I think. I don't know if I should even be riding this. Go up the 4. Here we are at 4. Look at this elevator cab right here. Completely original, Dover traditional. There's a mod in progress. As you can see, the other one's completely, oh no, it's between 1 and 2. I think. Back up to 4. Here we are at 4. Door closes when we push the button. Mod in progress. I can't believe they didn't get this one yet. Wow, there it goes. See, look, mod in progress. What does this say? We apologize for the inconvenience. This elevator is temporary out of service. I'll show you what they did to the front elevators. What's in here? Anything special? Nope. All right. I'll show you what they did to the front elevators. Come with me.